Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Figma prototype to Behance portfolio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first is head on over to behance.net and just sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, want to go ahead and hover your mouse over where it says share your work and click onto project. Now, once we're inside of here, on the right hand side, we've got different options. We need to go ahead and click on the embed option, so embed media, so we can share from Adobe XD, video, Vimeo, YouTube, etc. So now go ahead and paste that embed code from Figma. So now in order to get that embed code, we need to go ahead and open your Figma file. So this is your design or prototype. Click on the share button. It should be located top right hand corner of the screen, and then in the top up, make sure your file set to anyone with the link can view, otherwise the embed won't work. Click on the small embed option in the share dialog. If you don't see it right away, click copy link, then choose get embed code, and then Figma will generate an iframe embed code, and it's going to look something like this. So it'll look something like this. Then copy this code and paste that inside of here, and then click embed.